Welcome back to Streamline Entertainment. It's your boy Marvin on the Leeds Spurs game, which finished 4-1 to Spurs at Elland Road. Harry Kane hits 30 goals, 30 Premier League goals. What a tremendous return from a world-class striker. We didn't make Europe because obviously Villa made it, but I was thinking to myself that is probably a good thing for us to reorganise and not have sometimes those exhausting Europe Thursday games. And I think it'll probably do us well in the long run, a season out of Europe to rebuild and to get things organised. Will Harry Kane stay? I'm not so sure. I really do think it's 50-50 at the moment if we're not in Europe. But like I said, his wife is pregnant. He is in London at the moment. You never know what he's actually thinking. I think he'll probably, me personally, my thoughts are, I think he'll probably stay and see his contract out. This is what I actually think. So well done to Harry Kane, proving himself another wonderful goal scorer in Tottenham's history, and I hope it continues into next season by having Harry Kane. Excuse me, I picked up a bit of a cold. Basuma showing his class. We've started to see the best of this man in midfield. Short range passing, longer, turning, the ability to make interceptions. This guy is class, and I just want to see him have a good run in the team. Oliver Skip has been tremendous, but like I said, it's actually been a great partnership. I know it hasn't been for very long, but it has been a great partnership, Basuma and Skip. But like I said, I would like to see more of Basuma because we paid a lot of money for him, and whatever you say, he is a good player. But we need to see that. He's had the bedding in period. Yes, he's been injured, but we need to see him at his best and really digging in for Spurs and getting us in a top four position. Spurs finish 8th. To be honest, a terrible season. But to finish on a high like we did, I've got a little bit of happiness there. But like I said, it needs a lot of sorting out. So I hope Danny Levy brings in a manager that's basically going to be there for the long term and bring our youngsters through. Like I said, I think next season is going to be a bedding in period for the new manager. We're not in Europe, and I do think that's a good thing. Many fans will probably say, look, we should have finished 5th or 6th. Yes, we should have, but it's probably good omen we actually didn't. Mason has done well. To be honest, look, we got rid of Conte. We got rid of Conte's Stellini, and then Mason took charge. And to be honest with you, he is still learning his craft, and I think he's done well for the games we had done at the end of the day. So thank you, Mason, for what you've done in taking on Spurs, a big club, and whatever you do, Mason, I hope that basically. Whether it takes you to a team at the Premier Division and you manage, if you get that experience, I think you could be a top manager. Seriously, so well done, Mason. Lucas Moura, a parting goal, is given Spurs. And so, wow, what more? 95th minute goal. Well done, Lucas. We'll always remember you for your Champions League performance, then getting us through to the final against Liverpool. Lucas Moura, you've been such a passionate player for us. I know that you haven't had a lot of games, but we do appreciate you from Tottenham Hotspur Fan Club. So well done, Lucas. And I hope wherever you go that you have a tremendous end to your career, wherever it takes you. So another season done. I am happy that this season's over, in that we can actually get sorted. We're out of Europe, which gives us more time as well. We're not going to have those finances, which is a bit of a blow, but hopefully it'll come right if we pick the manager and Harry Kane stays. Let me know your thoughts on today's results. We send Leeds down, but I'm sure Leeds will be back. Leicester down as well. Everton stay up. A fantastic goal by Decore from 25, 30 yards. It went in like a rocket to keep Everton up, and I hope they sort themselves out, because they've been in the they've been in the top league for a very, very, very long time. So well done to Everton. And it's all about next season. Me and my brother will have more content for you. Take care of yourselves.